Installing a rear 7mm drive backplane. Align the pins on the cage with the holes in the backplane and then slightly slide the lower backplane into the cage until it is fully seated. Fasten the screw to secure the lower backplane. Put the upper backplane down on the rear drive cage. Fasten the 2 screws to secure the upper backplane. Connect the cables to the backplane. Install the rear drive cage assembly on the chassis. Connect the cables to the processor board or the PCIe adapter. Install the top cover. Install the drives or drive fillers in the rear drive cage.